Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn animals and their young ones. Let's start. Cow. A cow baby name is Calf. Goat baby name is Kid. Cat baby name is Kitten. Dog baby name is Puppy. Sheep baby name is Lamb. Chicken baby name is Chick. Duck baby name is Ducking. Deer baby name is Fawn. Lion baby name is Cub. Tiger baby name is Tiger Cub. Kangaroo baby name is Joey. Bird baby name is Chick. Ant baby name is Larva. Rabbit baby name is Bunny. Monkey baby name is Infant. Dolphin baby name is Pup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Goodbye.